Hi guys, at the rate Anika FA comment me to do Muskan, Morio and Faria. Okay, let's do. Sorry for this noise. My family and there are so many guests in my house, so that's why. Sorry guys. Please ignore this. Okay, Muskan, Muskan. Done. It's nice. Then Morium, Moriom, Morium. Pistachio cream. I love this color. I have a dress of this color, so nice. Now let's do again another one. Let's do another one. Faria, Faria. Then rose. What? Quartz. Okay. At the rate Anika FA, do you love it? Please comment down below.